What is corporate social responsibility and human rights? Have you ever wondered how businesses balance profit with ethical responsibilities? Corporate social responsibility, often referred to as CSR, is the answer. It highlights that companies have duties beyond just making money for their shareholders. In law school, CSR is examined as a blend of legal, business, and ethical responsibilities that businesses should consider in their decision-making processes. These responsibilities often include respecting human rights, protecting the environment, and supporting the communities where they operate. Human rights are the fundamental rights and freedoms that belong to every individual. When we look at the intersection of business and law, human rights issues can cover fair labor practices, safe working conditions, non-discrimination, and preventing harm to local communities. Law schools teach that companies must avoid causing or contributing to human rights abuses and must address any negative impacts their operations might have. From a law school perspective, studying CSR and human rights means learning about the legal frameworks that requiring or encourage companies to act responsibly. This includes international treaties, national laws, and industry standards. Law students investigate how companies can be held accountable for human rights violations and what legal tools exist to protect individuals affected by business activities. Practical applications in law school programs often involve working on real-world projects. For instance, students might research how laws in various countries address human rights risks in corporate, supply chains, or assist organizations in developing policies to prevent abuses. Law students also learn about the role of lawyers in advising companies on CSR and human rights. This includes drafting policies, conducting risk assessments, and responding to allegations of misconduct. Courses on CSR and human rights typically cover topics such as environmental sustainability, ethical business practices, and the increasing importance of environmental, social, and governance factors. Students learn about the legal risks companies face if they fail to meet these responsibilities, such as lawsuits, regulatory penalties, or damage to their reputation. Corporate social responsibility and human rights are closely linked in the study and practice of law. Law schools prepare students to understand the legal obligations companies have to respect human rights and act responsibly. They also equip students with the skills to help companies navigate these challenges effectively.